Good day and welcome back to the Microsoft Excel application course. In today's video we will be wrapping up with the topic charts, shapes and pictures, and basically we will be looking at the topics inserting shapes, pictures and icons, and we will briefly show you how to the steps to be able to print a chart, although we will not be printing an actual chart because there's no printer connected, but you will become familiar with the steps. So let's begin by drawing up our workbook, and for the purpose of practicing differently, let's go to sheet 3. So I will name sheet 3 to practice 3 by double clicking on it, and then I will type practice 3. So if you want to insert a picture, you simply position the cell pointer where you want it to appear, go to insert, and under illustration you click the arrow down. So here you see you can insert pictures, different shapes or icons, or even 3D models or smart art. Basically the steps are the same, so we will practice with a few of them. Let's start with pictures. So if you click the arrow down for pictures, it says you can insert a picture from this device, which is your computer. You can also insert it from stock images which are online, and from online pictures which will be shown to you. Now we will practice with only the online one, but basically the step is the same. So if you know where the picture you want to insert in your device is, you can use this device, but let's go to online. So we click on online pictures and make sure you're also connected to the internet. So in this case we will select celebration, and we will look for which one we like, and let's pick for this one, and then you click insert after clicking on it, and you wait for it to download, and there it is. And you can also just minimize it by going to the handle, click and draw down, and you can move it to the location you want. Let's reduce it again. Good. So that is for the picture. We can try for another thing. Let's go back to insert, illustration. This time let's see shapes. Click on shapes. Now you can choose any shape you want. Let's see, which shape do we go for. We can go for the cross shape, and we click on it. The cursor or the mouse pointer changes to a cross sign, waiting for you to click, drag, and then release your mouse to draw the shape. So I will click, hold my mouse, I will go to the left, or to the right rather, and then downwards. I will do it until I get the shape I want. So I will release my mouse and I can move it away. So this is how to insert a shape, and you can insert other shapes like that. So let's go back again, insert menu, illustrations, and let's look for an icon to insert. By the way, let's click outside first, and then insert illustration, icon, goes online again, and you can say let's go for this icon, and click it, and you can, of course, you can select different icon, or maybe to people. Okay, and we can choose this one here. Oh, I selected the first one, and it's gonna insert two of them because first time from technology, or the first one I had, it was picked, so I will just click insert, and here you see it inserted the two icons I selected. Okay, and if we go back again, insert, click outside, insert illustration, and let's do a 3D model. Let's do stock 3D models, which should be from online source, and we can pick industrial, and we can pick this one, and insert. Allow it to download. Yeah, this takes a while, maybe because it's 3D and has a lot of weight or size. It's larger in size compared to the others. So there it goes. So, and there we have it, and you can just move it, drag and drop somewhere else. And lastly, we can go back to insert, illustrate, and let's do smart art. Let's see which one will be easier to pick. List. You can, or let's say organizational chart, something like that, or relationship. We can say okay, and you can type the test. Type what you want in it. Let's say backward, and let's say forward. Okay, and you can also minimize it. Good. So basically this is how you create your different types of shapes. Okay, so that's more or less what we need to do today. The final thing we're going to do is teach you how to print a chart. So we go back to practice 2, click on the chart, go to file and go to print, and again, like we try to print our normal worksheet, you see your graph here or your chart, and you can do all the selection like we already taught in previous videos, and when you are ready you hit the print button. So we will not do that for now. We'll go back, and in the same way, if you go to practice 3, you can, let's say, select this one, click file, click print, and you can see that in different pages. So this brings us to the end of this particular topic, and I will see you in the next topic. Thank you very much.